The Explainer Man, including plenty of amazing scenes. Make your own story by combining scenes together. Suitable for explainer videos, social media, digital content, product promos, YouTube videos, and much more. Customize the character with your own colors to fit your brand fast and easy. All poses can loop for as long as you wish. Purchase now and enjoy our dedicated support. The Explainer Man. Combine the Explainer Man with the Explainer Girl to create your story.
Hello guys and ladies, this is Primo Milk. Here is the new tutorial for the Explainer Man. First of all, we will see how we can customize the character. As you can see, you are able to change hair color like this, skin, the t-shirt color, the inside shirt color, the trouser color, and the shoes color. So this is the simple way to change the colors of the character. Secondly, you are able to change the colors of the elements that appears like this. Here is the mobile color 1 and 2. So the blue color, you can change the color to green or whatever you want. The text color, background colors, very easy, and some of them like this on the maps. You have some box color that you are able to change them also. Closet colors, let's go to the closet. Here you are able to change inside how it is, and the elements color also, you are able to change them. So secondly, you will find here on the content all the compositions that made with the poses, and here on poses you can find all the poses together. You can drag and drop the pose to your timeline. The most of the poses, all of them, there are 2000 to 2000 pixels character, so it's ready for 4K and HD also. Here you are able to put inside here your placeholder. Just drag and drop an image here and it will appear exactly on the screen of the mobile phone. Also here on the website, on the credit card, also you are able to change the text here inside, the text of the bank and the name placeholder. And at the end, on the website browsing here, you are able to put your website, the website name, and the placeholder here, that it can be a video or an image, whatever you want. All the poses can loop, so you have unlimited time duration for each composition. And this is it. You can also combine the explainer man with the explainer girl and make your story. So this is it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to rate. Thank you very much. Bye bye.